Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, Mason has come and gone for a couple of days, and we didn't get as much done as we'd liked. We got held up on a clutch and a flywheel, got stranded somewhere between BC and Alberta due to I think it was a rock slide highway closure, but we did make some progress. There's Mason's 400 now. Yesterday that thing was an oily, greasy looking pile of crap that ran excellent. So what we did was we decided, instead of him being, he's 16 years old, building his first truck, I don't want him having any problems breaking down, so we did a new alternator, new water pump, we have a new starter, lots of fun new stuff. I donated an aluminum Edelbrock Performer RPM manifold I had kicking around. It does have a nitrous plate on it, but we're not using that, we just set it there for fun, and a big Holly 750, I believe it is, double pumper from my old drag car. Just so we could put the air cleaner on it today. And he has gone home. Next time he's back, we'll be sticking this in his truck and trying to get onto the lift kit and the rear end swap. So we're making progress, having fun doing it. And he's having a blast, I'm sure, learning all about it, painting and grinding all the little parts down. He's had to clean every single bolt on that motor on the wire wheel. I'm sure he's having fun doing that. But love it. It looks beautiful. Very happy with it. He's picked out a set of wheels that are overly priced. They're a set of fuels. So we're gonna have to get some work done for him to be able to afford those wheels. They are pricey. But he's gonna go with kind of a black and chrome style. Lots of black and lots of chrome instead of just typical chrome. Looks good. I like it. Gonna be a fun little motor. And the Mercedes, they called yesterday and the clutch has arrived in the Lower Mainland Vancouver area. So we should have it Monday. That means if the clutch shows up Monday, this thing will be on the ground with the transmission in it Monday, ready to drive around. And I think we just have a caliper to solve and then put a trailer hitch on it. So this thing will be lighting them up next week. Along with this thing should be firing up next week. I'm so excited, I just have to keep showing you guys because I've never had a jet boat. And there you go. Yes, the Caliente's hiding indoors. So that is a Saturday video that's coming out Monday. On Monday, yes, the Mercedes will be coming out of the shop on Monday, and Tuesday we got confirmation on the Mustang that I was telling you about a couple of weeks ago. We have a, I can't even remember what year it is, I'm guessing 88, 89, but it is an original type of restoration we're doing. It's had a little bit of a collision, and it's a super clean, all original Mustang, so we're gonna bring it back to stock and normal. So sometime Tuesday that's supposed to be coming in. So anyway, we'll get some fun videos in next week, that's for sure. There's a lot going on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.